Hi, this is Peter from Wildcat Farm. Hello from Germany.
Mike, and we thought we'd give you a little update on our moving and packing today. Well, right there is just under 70 boxes, containers, and pieces. Rough guess, we're just a little under half of what's in the house, and I'm fairly certain that we will be able to fit everything into a 20-foot container. The big items are still in the house, like the couch and stuff, but those will be underneath on the bottom. So we're doing pretty good, I think. Peter's been working her butt off, getting stuff sorted and everything. Me, I just wrap it. I'm just the muscle dummy.
We also have some news for you today.
We're in the process of setting up a t-shirt shop featuring original photography from both Peter and I. There's not much on it yet, but there is some. Stop by, take a look. If you would like our videos,
Hit the subscribe button.
and the little bell thingy down in the corner if you want notifications. And thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Bye. And Barnaby makes an appearance. Can you say hi to peoples? Say hello to peoples. Say hello to the peoples.